Starting around 11 November 2023, Bitcoin money essentially fundamentally is exchanging at $237.28 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.16% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. BCH certainly has a genuinely complete market cap of $4,640,276,544, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $192,254,799, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This basically makes Bitcoin money, BCH, lovely positioning at 20 in the digital currency market in an every way that really matters, enormous way. On the off chance that you by and large basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money especially be entirely worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Is Bitcoin money an especially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which generally sort of is very critical. Will BCH cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking high, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking? These in a real sense are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, or so they generally thought incredibly. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost fundamentally is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $256.30, the normal really least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to in a real sense, essentially be $246.82, or so they fundamentally thought. Besides, BCH can basically explicitly arrive at a very sort of greatest value level of $265.90, or so they entirely thought. Bitcoin money value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money in a real sense explicitly is supposed to be at around a pretty truly least of $227.50, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost can for the most part arrive at a decently certainly limit of $255.94, with the genuinely normal cost of $248.83 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money value expectation December 2023. Bitcoin money cost essentially is supposed to in a real sense, especially reach between $246.82 to $265.90 in December 2023. While the fundamentally the crypto explicitly essentially has been in a real sense diminished by 1.41% in its genuinely current worth in a fundamentally huge manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the pretty all things considered current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, exhibiting that these especially are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money in every way that really matters is confronting a decently fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with certainly essentially other crypto coins, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The BCH in a real sense is down to nearly 0.27% in the essentially most recent 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought incredibly. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially past by and large not many days. The coin could basically truly have certainly areas of strength for especially in any case, we don't actually really feel that it would a productive resource and transient in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the really current cost and fundamentally beyond 30 days cost history, it explicitly is seen that Bitcoin money basically has expanded 43.262% in its worth, or so they generally truly thought in an unpretentious manner. The sort of typical essentially least cost for the month for the most part is $130.31, while fundamentally sort of greatest truly in every way that really matters, normal cost by and large in a real sense was $134.63, which certainly is very critical in a significant manner. This suggests that this coin essentially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for truly long haul, which fundamentally generally shows that assuming we especially look at the truly current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap generally is likewise down. Exhibiting that these generally are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is around 44.45%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a truly least beautiful typical cost of $125.38 to truly greatest fundamentally normal cost of $134.83 in the essentially in every way that really matters recent days. So the 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 44.45%. And the cost commonly circled from an essentially truly least extremely lovely typical cost of $125.38 to especially in every practical sense, most extreme truly normal cost of $134.83 in the by and large genuinely beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In reasonably especially most recent 4 months Bitcoin money explicitly has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that assuming we certainly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can sort of truly see that the market cap especially generally is likewise down. Showing that these in a real sense for the most part are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future in a very lovely significant manner. Accordingly, we truly imagine that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, or so they truly thought. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of has expanded from 4 months, entirely all goals and purposes in opposition to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, exhibiting that starting around 11 November 2023 Bitcoin money basically explicitly is exchanging at $237.28 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.16% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin sort of in a real sense is up by 57.20%. With the truly most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin basically was around $103.49, and the truly least in every practical sense, normal cost of by and large, was around $100.92 in especially beyond 4 months. Pretty certainly further appearance how Bitcoin money cost can truly arrive at a limit of $255.94, with the sort of typical cost of $248.83 in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money value conjecture 2023 facts. What will truly be Bitcoin money kind of genuinely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner, in spite of mainstream thinking? The BCH cost certainly is estimated to by and large arrive at an in every practical sense, truly greatest degree of $265.90, with pretty least cost of $246.82 toward the finish of 2023. Extremely further appearance how Bitcoin money cost can outrageously arrive at an especially lovely limit of $255.94, with the actually certainly normal cost of $248.83 in United States dollars, which is genuinely huge. Does Bitcoin money sort of have a future, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? As far as value, Bitcoin money explicitly has an extraordinary essentially potential to